Tired of paying a premium for Sam's Club chicken salad? I'm going to show you how to make it at home even better and for way less. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cooked and shredded chicken breast, 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of finely diced celery for that essential crunch, half a cup of halved red grapes for a touch of sweetness, a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans if you like them, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Make sure your chicken is thoroughly shredded. The finer, the better, for that classic chicken salad texture. Now, in a large bowl, combine your shredded chicken, diced celery, halved grapes, and the chopped pecans. Add in the mayonnaise. Start with a cup. Remember, you can always add more to reach your preferred consistency. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Don't be shy. These seasonings make all the difference. Mix everything together until well combined. Make sure the mayonnaise is evenly distributed, coating all of the ingredients. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Maybe you want a little more pepper or a touch more mayo. This is where you can customize it. And there you have it, homemade Sam's Club chicken salad, ready to be enjoyed on sandwiches, crackers, or straight from the bowl. Enjoy!